Hi, I'm Rodley from LemTask. Today we are looking at whether Simple Task is still worth using in 2026. This is not a personal productivity app, it's a business and organization management system. So, real question is who does it work best for today? This is Simple Task homepage. For those who don't have, the link is down in the description below. Simple tasks works best for people who just like clarity. Clear tasks, clear ownership, clear structure. Managers who want everything in one place. Tasks connect to projects. Projects are connected to employees. And financial data is connected to the real work. If you value structure over visuals, this system makes sense. This platform may not suit everyone. If you prefer highly visual tools, drag and drop boards, mini interfaces, or fast personal task caption, Simple Task can feel heavy. It's designed for organizations and for accountability, not a casual day reminder. For context, this is how we approach task execution in LemTask. Tasks focus on personal tasks. Habits and team execution is where LemTask is about. It's lighter, executes first, and builds for daily productivity. If you don't have LemTask, the link is down in the description below. Once you click on the link, you just click get for free. Once you click get for free, just fill in your name, email, password, and you can create your account and you start going with the productivity. That's actually fun. This is LemTask's dashboard. This is how it is. I would just want to explain briefly about the brain dome section, but also that dashboard is really cool and really great. It's very attractive to help you stay productive. Momentum is there to always check how you've been doing on your daily tasks and everything. Once you just pop on the dashboard, you know what you have to do today, you know what's in your inbox, and you know what you have to do later. So it helps you a lot with personal tasks, always staying ahead, and it also helps you capture tasks very quickly and execute. Let me just show you how is that done. Let's go to the brain dump section. There are so many ways you can import your files and turn them into your text. You can import transcripts and can turn into tasks. You can import CSV files here. We can even import from to-do list, Notion, or any spreadsheet there is, and you can turn into task. You can even drop your file in form of any audio that is supported by MP3, Wave, MP4, and etc. It works great for also WhatsApp audios, meeting recordings, and voice memos. But what I'm here to talk about is the voice section. The voice section is where actually I love it because it helps me a lot to schedule my task really quick and efficient by just using my voice. I'll just make you three typical examples on how I actually do that. Sending invoices to my team members today. Once once you have done that, you have seen that you're giving it straight direct instructions that this is today. And once you need just to add the times of when you're going to do this task, and you need to add a high level of a priority. Is it low, medium, or high? It's up to you. For me, this is a high priority and I have to add it to my task, and I just did. So once you have done that, I will just continue to make two more. Having a client meeting today. Have a call with my CEO today. Once that's done, you just add in your time, low, medium, high priority. Once that is over and done with, you just go to your inbox. But you can see on my dashboard, everything appears immediately as I schedule it. So I want you to go into your today section. Your today section is basically where all of your tasks stay and live and breathe. So as you scroll down, you will see that the tasks that I have been scheduled with my voice, have a call with my CEO, have a meeting, send invoices to my team members. It's all there. And it's waiting for me when the time hits for me to actually start. I start and I'm focused. Once I'm done, I execute. My proof of executing is just giving a confirmation tick, and that's it. So, is simple task worth it in 2026? Yes, for companies and organizations, for teams that need central um, operations, for leaders who want transparency in tasks, finance, communication, but for individual productivity or lightweight task tracking, LemTask is there. It's more than you need. The value of simple tasks comes from structure, and structure matters most at a business level.